So I had a wonderful driver, and now it's time for the driver to teach me how to be a driver over this 12 acres of land. So then I can scout the land and decide where I'm gonna put my house, because yes, it's official. Then talk to the owner, about to have me some land.
So, first thing you do, this thing is like a stick, but it has no gears.
Okay.
So we have a parking brake. It's not like a normal parking brake. So you have to go and unengage your parking brake. To your left.
And this is the brake, isn't it?
That's your brake. But you have to you don't have to hold the brake to unengage. You just have to pull it up, press a little button, pull it up, and
all right.
There we go. Park brakes off.
Brake.
So that pedal down there is much more sensitive than your car. Actually, it's probably as sensitive. So that's your gas, obviously. That's your brake. So it's already in high. All you have to do is drive forward.
Drive forward. Okay. Let me make sure, because we don't want nothing going in the eyes and cause car crash.
Of course.
So let's set our mirrors so we can see what's going on. Okay, we good.
Can you even see out that mirror? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well.
Like it's showing me everything that's on that side.
Okay. Well,
so
it's already high. See? It's not that hard. So for this first test, you have to stay at 15 for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2,
we on the hills.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Which way should I be going?
This way. This way is less bumpy. But 1, 2, Yeah, you doing good on 14, but you're supposed to go 15. This way. That leads to your trail. There.
Like literally, I say at
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job. Good first lesson. Good first lesson. Now, it's time for the fun part.
What's the fun part?
Go back up the hill.
Okay.
So, also here's your little.
Yeah.
The horn's not to tell you to move out the way, it's to warn you I'm coming. So just do a little left. Yes, very indeed. Yeah. Now go back this way. Not yet. Yeah.
We got some Bluetooth speaker in here.
Well, we had a radio system, but it's currently under the works. So now I'm going to give you some really good control. I'm going to give you some control advice. I don't want this to go over 15, but I want you to officially go over there. Try not to make it squeak, because it does that a lot. Yeah, we got to put a new belt in it. So turn around and then make sure the front's facing this way at this entrance here. So
I'll just go ahead and go around the little bees.
Hello there, bees. They're buzzing around.
Make us some good honey.
Yeah, they make some really good honey. That's their only purpose. It's honey. Don't go too close to the bees, because we will get swarmed.
Right. Oh, look, it was a bunny.
Yeah, we have a lot. See, we have a lot of those. Yeah. A lot. Right. So, I want you to go around that, go in, and then turn without trying to drive more on that dude land over there, to turn from the inside out.
So wait, so go this way over that way or that way?
That way. Because you got to go this way like that, like a snake. It's time to watch her in her majesty. Right. Don't go over 15.
Oh, look, I forgot about that part.
All right. This is the part that a lot of people struggle on. Why? Because it's a very sharp turn with a very long vehicle. Now turn right. Try not to hit the post. Okay, you got it. That's a interesting gap there.
Is that what else?
That was an interesting gap there. That was,
What you mean a gap?
never mind. Just keep on going.
I'll do it again. Alright, we're staying under 15. And we're making sharp turns without flipping over.
Without flipping. Without flipping.
See, that's the part that's important, is not flipping.
Yeah, I did that once. It's not very fun. Not in this, but in the four-wheeler, which was even worse. And it was on that post. I was enjoying this, and then I thought that the post was right there instead of right there, and I turned, and it grabbed the wheel, of course, and, well, that four-wheeler was over there, somewhere over that area, and I was, like, somewhere in that area. So, I think you understood what happened there. Yeah.
So am I passing the sharp turn test?
You are indeed. You are indeed.
Say no flips, no bumps, no scratches.
Yeah. Now, go down this way instead. I'm going to give you a park test.
Oh, Lord.
So, you see where that branch is, that tree?
Yeah.
I made a driveway, and I need you to park at least to 75% in this driveway that's up ahead. So go left, because this is let's say this is the main road, and here's your driveway.
Oh, this part right here?
Yeah, that's your driveway.
Okay.
You kind of drove off the road. We're in the trees.
Wait, what? So wait.
I said that was your main road back here.
Hold on.
Ah, that's 100 points off.
Okay, so
You see your main road, right?
is the main road where
You see the two ruts, where you see two tire tracks.
Wait, is it in? Do I have it right?
Right.
Okay. All right, so.
Oh, you don't know it. It's just, you know.
All right, so look, I gotta take the glass off. Where the main road at?
Let me, because I have to do a external test here. So, right here, these two ruts is your main road.
Hey, this the road right here. Okay.
Yeah, this the road.
So let me get on the road.
Please get on the road.
All right, so I'm on the road.
Yeah, you're on the road, but you have to park in that driveway, which, hold on, because this is the driveway right here.
Okay, that's the driveway.
Yeah, so you have to park.
So, I'm gonna do it two ways. I'm gonna pull in and then I'm gonna try to back in.
All right.
Okay, so pulling in, blinker.
Ignore that.
You what?
And ignore that.
And then I should like keep while I'm here.
Yeah.
In the driveway, I'm
Yeah.
here, but I'm here.
Yeah.
Alright, so now let's stand out.
Yeah.
So you know, I got to put the arms up.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
that's a
Still
pretty.
on the main road. Alright. And then, this is the main road right here.
Yeah. Ignore that.
And then I'm like, oh, I want to back in the driveway.
Oh, this is going to be fun. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. You're a little ways off the driveway, but
You know what?
you're a little off the driveway. Just a little.
I thought the driveway was where, like, I had used parking for the light. So how much off away from the driveway am I?
Let's say that the driveway, I'm gonna have to use like this.
Okay.
It's right here.
Uh-huh.
And you're a little over here.
Oh, so I'm on a grass.
Yeah.